1, go. Coming out in autonomous, we've got Cobalt Colts putting one cone up onto that low. They're trying to grab another, but they don't quite find it. Meanwhile, for the Blue Alliance, we've got 2 robots parked. Circuit breakers, they've parked. And that should be good for some out of autonomous.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Coming into the teleoperated mode. We've got circuit breakers trying to handle that cone, trying to get it into scoring position, while their alliance partner, Cerberus, puts one on low. As opposed on the Red Alliance, you've got one scored high by Cobalt Colts. Oh, and another attempt at a high score by Cobalt Colts, but it just goes wide. Cerberus in control of another cone. They're looking to match the Cobalt Colts' speed up here on the high junctions. As Cobalt Colts goes for their 3rd cycle here on this announcer side high junction. 14919 looking to get in possession of a cone of their own to start help this Blue Alliance building that circuit. That'll be worth 20 points if they can find it for the end game. And circuit breakers will find another cone into that terminal. That'll be good for 1 point at the end of the game. As another high score point comes through from Cerberus. On the Red Alliance, some late-term defense coming through from Cobalt Colts. They've now captured what was a Blue Alliance terminal, but it's going to be coming from the Blue with their beacon. They're going to take control of that high post. Red Alliance will do the same to Blue, though, as 2 robots are parked for endgame. We've got 2 seconds left. For qualification match 10 to be ready and on the field. And it's going to be the Red Alliance taking that match with a score of 83-46 as we enter a 5-minute timeout between this match and qualification match 10.